Welcome back. Today, we're taking the WRX wagon one step further. This isn't just another gadget install, this is a mobile mesh network, a self-contained, off-grid communication system built right into the WRX. We've talked about Meshtastic on this channel before, its benefits, and what a single node can do. Today, we're taking it further. We're combining a fixed node and a portable terminal with a TDEC Plus to build a rolling relay system, and setting up a MOLLE rack for future upgrades. I'm so stoked. Starting with the MOLLE rack, this is the platform that holds everything together inside the vehicle. The center structure needs a little modification before final mounting into the headliner, stretching pillar to pillar above the back seats. This becomes our anchor point for power and future expansion. The Heltec V3 is already fully assembled and flashed. If you want the full build process, check my earlier video on this channel. In this install, we're mounting it to a 1/4-20 suction mount at the rear window, placing the node high inside the vehicle. From there, the magnetic base 915 MHz antenna is routed out through the hatch gap to the roof for optimal signal positioning. The power line runs from the Villros USB-A battery pack on the MOLLE rack using black dual-pin cloth clips along the roof liner for clean routing. A fixed node with optimized antenna placement that can often reach several kilometers depending on terrain, obstacles, and mesh node density. Before we flash the TDEC Plus, we're going to complete the antenna modification. Power off the unit, open the back panel, and carefully lift the board assembly with the screen. Inside, we locate the internal connector for the 915 MHz LoRa module. Disconnect the internal antenna and modify the exterior case port to fit an external SMA pigtail connector. Insert the SMA through the case, add the lock washer and nut, and hand tighten to secure the connection. Reconnect the pigtail inside, reassemble the case, and attach the flexible SMA 915 MHz antenna. With the hardware mod complete, we move to software. Enter the bootloader mode by holding the boot button while powering on, then connect your USB-C cable. You should hear an alert sound. This confirms that your COM serial port has detected the TDEC Plus. Open Chrome and go to flasher.meshtastic.org. Select the LILYGO TDEC ESP32S3 from the device drop-down menu. Then choose the firmware version you want under install options. We went with stable 2.6.11. Then click Flash. We read the notes and make sure Fully Erase and Install and Meshtastic UI are both selected, then proceed. The flasher handles the entire process, erase, flash, and reboot automatically. Once complete, the new Meshtastic UI is ready to use right out of the box. No additional files or command line config needed. However, after setting region and the short long name, I did manually reconfigure the TDEC Plus frequency to 906.875 channel 20 to match the Heltec V3. As for my area of the country, this seemed to be what most folks are on, and now the Heltec node and the TDEC Plus are always talking to one another. This is where the system starts to make sense. The Heltec V3 stays fixed in the vehicle acting as a dedicated relay node. Mounted high, it can often reach several kilometers depending on environmental conditions. The TDEC Plus is the mobile component, a fully portable mesh terminal that can be removed from the vehicle and operated independently with full functionality thanks to the new Meshtastic UI. Together, they create a flexible mesh network. The vehicle becomes a rolling repeater hub while the operator retains portable comms capability in the field. Now we finalize the driver position mount. Using a Naga-style double-jointed arm behind the dome light, the TDEC Plus is secured into position.
Cool.
The glowing USB-C cable runs cleanly from the Molly Rack battery pack using the same dual-pin cloth clips along the headliner. With both nodes powered on, we verify synchronization between the TDEC Plus and the Heltec V3. A quick look at the live data flow confirms healthy traffic across the mesh. The system is operational. What we built here is a self-contained vehicle-mounted mesh node system. Low power, modular, and ready to operate off-grid. We took a 20-year-old WRX and gave it a tactical upgrade, a communication system that's not just functional now, but built with room to grow. This isn't just hardware, it's strategy. For those of you that have been tuning in, thanks for watching. I usually never solicit to click or subscribe, but I hope that you do. I appreciate it. Stay sharp out there.